Your child isn't behind. They're speaking a language the world hasn't learned yet, and honey, I know you see it. You see their brilliance, their unique way of moving through this world, but sometimes it feels like you're the only one who gets it, right?
What if I told you there's a whole community of us who see what you see? That's what the Spectrum of Strengths Gathering is about.
Saturday, April 18th, 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. at the Dennis A. Wicker Civic Center in Sanford, North Carolina. A full-day Autism Awareness Month celebration for parents, caregivers, children, and young adults with disabilities and service providers. A day where your family doesn't just fit in, you belong.
Hands-on workshops, sensory-friendly zones, learn practical tools, strategies, and supports you can use right away. Space is designed with intention for comfort and regulation. Trusted providers you can meet face-to-face, and inspiring speakers who understand your journey. Creative, hands-on stations for all ages. Family activities that celebrate who your children are, not who the world expects them to be. Plus, delicious, family-friendly meals from local vendors, prizes, raffles, and surprises throughout the day.
This is a day where families feel understood, a day where caregivers feel supported, a day where children and young adults are celebrated for who they are. Because here's the truth, your child has strengths this world needs, and you're doing an incredible job. Come as you are, leave with joy in your heart, resources in your hands, and a village around you. Saturday, April 18th, from 11 to 6 Eastern. Dennis A. Wicker Civic and Conference Center, Sanford, North Carolina. Tickets are selling fast. Secure your spot today. For details, visit Exceptional Caregivers Solutions, LLC.com or reach out to Adrian at 910-841-1360. Parents, caregivers, providers, and our incredible kids and young adults, this day is for you. Join us and let your whole family feel seen, supported, and celebrated.